Lots of geek outs. And today we are talking about shortcuts. So the most prevalent shortcuts that we have would be control copy, control, so it'll be like control C for control copy, uh, for control V to paste something in, control Z to undo something. So these are the shortcuts you would use that make it quick and easy for you to copy a bunch of information on your computer. Let's say you had a long list of attachments, then you would just hit Control A and that would select all the attachments, and you could Control C to copy all those and move those over to whatever place or file that you would want those. So there are a bunch of different shortcuts, but what I also want to talk to you about today is story time. So my mom, she really struggled at accessing specific things on the internet quickly. And how she went about it is she would, go on the internet browser, she would try to search whatever she was looking for, and she found it really, really hard to get where she was trying to go. So she would go to Google and search this thing, and then all these search results would pop up. And, based off what you're typing, it's going to bring up, what you're searching for. But with AI, it makes it a little bit easier, but there's all these different links, and she got confused, on what links do I actually click. So I made it very simple for her to understand where to go and how to do it. What I told her was, we did a live session, just her and me, and I would go connect to her computer, and then I would go to the site, I would take the URL, I would take that and I would copy that, and I'll bring that to her desktop to make a shortcut. And that way, when she wanted to go to Facebook, Instagram, not Instagram, but Facebook, eBay, or Amazon, and made it really, really easy for her, for our seniors, for our family, and for our friends that aren't really good at technology, to be able to access that information very, very quickly, is to create shortcuts on their computer. A lot of this, you can use any internet browser to do this. I typically use Google Chrome, but what you do is, like I said, you go to the top where the URL is on the website. You would select all of that, you would click, and you would drag that down, and that would actually create a shortcut for her. And that just changed how she used her technology, because she didn't have to go and type in that specific website that she was trying to get to, whatever that might be for you guys. And she was able just to click on the icon, because she wanted to make it really easy for her to go the places that she needed to go all the time. And so I made those shortcuts for her to make that an easy process, you guys. So the next thing I want to talk about is just relationship in our technology. It's just so prevalent. A lot of our seniors just feel so isolated, and they're very, very far away from their family and friends. Some of them may be close, but a lot of the times they're just so far away. So it's hard to have that communication that we try to strive for. So with Plot's technology learning, our whole thing is about really establishing, reconnecting, bridging the gap in those relationships, and reconnecting people to their lost and broken relationships with their family, friends, and loved ones. So in order to do that, we are talking about how technology can connect us. So I am going to be doing a new course here in Q3 of this year, and this course is going to show you exactly how you're gonna connect with them on a Zoom call, specifically what you need to do in that Zoom call, or on a Facebook call, exactly what you need to do to Facebook to reconnect you. And maybe it's just like an icebreaker, you guys. Maybe that's in an aspect of, hey, let's play a game. Let's kind of try to reconnect through a game, or do a drawing, because we're really artsy and we want to do like arts and crafts and really connect that way. Because I remember doing that when I was little, and that was so much fun, and really reconnecting us to our family members, our friends, our loved ones, that we've lost that connection. And that's what Plot's technology is all about. I read so much on the internet about how technology has disconnected us through all these different platforms out there. But with Plot's technology learning, I'm flipping the script on that, and we're reconnecting generations of our family, our friends, our loved ones, and reconnecting them through technology, you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me. I'm just so grateful and humbled that you guys want to be a part of this. And I look forward to you guys next time on our live call. And don't forget to follow me for all my latest content on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Also on LinkedIn. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. And I will see you guys tomorrow for our Geek Outs.